might be hard to see, but this is how I've got this media bookcase thing planned out. These are the two side pieces. This is the right side, this is the left side. Over here is I'm calling the top shelf. It's actually the shelf that will have the DVD player and the Google Point and the Apple TV and the internet router. That's open in the back. Next shelf down, this one to here, calling that the DVD shelf because that's where all my DVDs will be stored. And that, you see where I've got this rabbited notch beginning there? That's going to have a back panel so the DVDs can't fall out the back. Whereas up here, it'll be open so the cables and airflow. Then the next shelf down, 11 inches, is my upper bookshelf. And then finally, another 11 inches down is the lower bookshelf. And then this will be the skirt board in the front. And from way up here, all the way down will be rabbited out for the back panel. And on the front will be an ash frame, kind of like what you would see in the front frame in lower kitchen cabinets, where it just goes around the edges, the top, the bottom, the edges. So anyway, that's the plan. I've got all the plywood cut, ready to go. The next step will be rabbiting out that notch. All of these shelves, let's see, 1, 2, 3, all 4 shelves are going to be pocket screwed into the sides. So I need to drill like 3 each on each side on the underside of the shelf so they won't really be seen. The trick here is I'm in a basement that has basically a 6-foot ceiling before you start to hit the joists. Let's see if I can bring it up so you can see. So I have to fit my piece of shelf onto here and have it go up between the joists. Should be fun. And no, I don't want to do this crouched on my hands and knees on a rough concrete floor. Okay, I've got the bottom shelf and the third shelf installed. And what I'm going to do now is put the back panels in so that I won't have to worry about the carcass racking any while I continue installing other shelves. This center seam here is going to be behind the center supports for the shelves, so that not only won't be seen, but it'll be supported. Okay, the bottom shelf, the bottom book shelf is completely in. And what I did was I also installed the skirt so that it would be flat. So this is the bottom of the second shelf, and this is the center support. $44.5, that's $22.25. center line where I'm going to be drilling 3 holes in order to screw into the top of this. Now these screw heads are going to be hidden by the next one up. So, no worry there. Okay, I got that piece in the vise, and now I'm going to line them up and screw it down.